Hi lovely people, I have a very important question. The kind of English that you see in the textbook and the kind of English that you speak in daily life, is there a difference? There's a huge difference. The kind of grammatical rules that there are in the books, they're very different from the kind of English that we speak, the pronunciation, the rules, etc. And this is what today's session is about. In today's session, we'll understand how normal English is different from the one that we speak in daily life. This lesson is all about speaking fast English, how sentences from textbook change to how we speak in daily life, and what we should do as well to refine our communication skills so that it looks natural. My name is Hridhaan. I welcome you all to today's session. So let's get started. We have two columns here. The first column has a snail in it, and the snail represents textbook English. At a beginner level, when you speak English, how do you speak? Do you speak fast or do you read each and every word slowly? Of course, the latter one. And in the second column, we've got the rocket, which actually talks about fast English, how those sentences can be changed to fast English sentences. So let's get started. Without further ado, this is the list that first of all we're going to be looking at. Each sentence will be one by one, will be looked at one by one. So let's get started with the first one. In the textbooks, we read, I have got to go. In daily life, we don't say, I have got to go. We say, I've got to go. So, got to go doesn't come like chunks like this. In daily life, we say, gotta go. Got to go comes together and it changes to gotta go. Please repeat after me. I have gotta go. One more time. I've gotta go. The next sentence is, I have got a book. I have will become one and gotta will become one. Changes to I've got a book. Please repeat after me. I've got a book. I have changes to I've got a book. One more time. One last time. I've got a book. Do you want to play? Nobody speaks like that. And if you want to speak fast and most importantly, the key word is fluency. If you want to speak fluently, do you want to play changes to want to play. We don't say do you. It just changes to want to play. Please repeat after me one more time. Want to play. Next one is, do you want a coffee? This changes to want a coffee. One more time. Want a coffee. Please repeat after me. One last time. Want a coffee. And the second last on the list is let me in. In this case, we're going to be joining together let and me, and this changes to let me in. Please pronounce it once again. Let me in. And finally, let me go changes to let me go. One more time, let me go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pronounce all of these so that you can understand how it is different from the textbook. I've got to go. I've got a book. Want to play. Want a coffee. Let me in. And let me go now. From the list on the left-hand side. Let's now move on to the second list that we have for today, and that is here. Five more sentences in front of us. Here we go. Number one is, I'll meet you later. This is a little more complex and I want your absolute attention. I'll meet you later changes to I'll meet you later. One more time. I'll meet you later. Meet you becomes one word and changes to meet you. Please repeat after me once again. Meet you. Later changes to later. Later. It's not ladier, it is later. One more time. I'll meet you later. Not, I will meet you later, okay? Changes to, I'll meet you later. The next one, what do you think? What do you think changes to? What you think. What you think. Listen carefully and repeat. What you think. What do you think changes to what you think. What did you do with it? Now here we're going to be doing the contractions with did you changes to what'd you do with it? What did you? All of these three words come together and it changes to what'd you. What'd you do with it? What'd you do with it? How do you like it? How do you becomes one word. Can you guess what it would be? It'd be. You see how I'm speaking? I'm not saying it would be. I'm saying it'd be. That's how we speak fluently. That's what we need to do as well. How'd you like it? How'd ya? One more time. How'd ya? Not how do you like it? It's how'd you like it? When did you get it? Changes to when'd you get it? When'd you? When'd you? One more time. When'd you get it? And get it comes together, changes to get it. When'd you get it? And finally, the last sentence in the list that we have for today's lesson is, why did you take it? And this changes to, why'd you take it? And can I give you another tip? All of this changes to one sentence, one word. Why'd you take it? Why'd you take it? Why did you take it, brother? Changes to, why'd you take it, brother? Why'd you take it, brother? Kind of feels like as though it is one complete word. Why did you take it? Becomes one word. Why'd you take it? Why'd you take it? Isn't it interesting? This was what today's lesson was about. In case you want to practice further, rewind, go back again, and see and repeat carefully. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure that you watch more such interesting videos to get better at your communication skills. Until then, take care. I will see you soon.